Hello, this is the connection to a main cylinder clutch connection on a Volvo V50 and some Ford also. This is not easy to take off, but it's inside here. If you can see the connection. There. It's very hard to take off. I took out the pedal in the coupe first. It is also not an easy thing to do, but everything is possible. It's look like this. Air bolt. You have a bolt also. Up there. 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 And up. There. So it's not the easiest, but everything is possible. There is the clutch system. If you have the old one, it's maybe easier to cut this off, but then it's have to be a plastic. When you are changing it, it's not plastic anymore. Good luck on a Volvo and a Ford.